Hi, my name is Darnell and I'm going to be the host for today, and I'd like you to join me as we go through with the Certified Supplier Initiative Dongguan factory tour. We'll be evaluating this toy factory based on 5 categories, and that is the product safety, safety assurance system, specified standards, their self-export capability, and social responsibility. I haven't been inside yet, but I'm really excited because I was told it is so huge. So I want you to stick around, all right? Stick around and just follow me. Let's go. It's a really big factory. Let's go. All right, so let me give you a little introduction about the company, Dongguan Maisto Industries Ltd. The company has been established in 1985, and yes, you heard me, it is 1985, and they produce mainly modern toys, fine car models, and such. So the factory is also certified ISO 9001. They also comply with all these standards such as EN71, ASTM, and F963 standards. They have self-developed brands and also popular brands such as Ferrari, Lamborghini, Mercedes-Benz, Ford, you know, all those big brands. They export to countries around the world, Europe, United States, Japan, Australia, and other 60 countries or regions. All right, now let's tour the workshops or facilities in this factory. They have employed over 3,000 employees in this factory alone, and I've heard just a while ago, I got updates, this is just one of their 3 factories. Can you believe that? With a 150,000 square meter factory, that's just one of them. And behind me is actually the automated or electronic assembly line, and this is where they piece up together whatever kind of product they're about to release or about to produce. And as you can see, all the employees here are all working on these products. And let me just add that they have 12 professional and environmental workshops. They have 3D printing machines, CNC tools, injection molding manipulators, production equipment, pad printing machines. And all this automation, a combination of manpower and machine, actually gives high production efficiency and consistency, therefore giving you quality products and can meet your demands. So let's move to another facility, shall we? Like I mentioned a while ago, this is a very huge factory, and I'm in one of them right now. This is the pad printing facility, and behind me is really amazing for me. This tour, if it's not amazing, it gets more amazing. And behind me are the robotic arms. They actually paint a specific section of the toy. Now, what you can see right now is just some of them, but I want you to show. Can you follow me? Follow me. I want you to show how massive it is. Look at that. That's really massive. It's a combination of automation, machines, and human. So it is really, really overwhelming. So right now I am here at the showroom. It makes me a child again because all these toys are here. They actually have sold over 650 million vehicles around the world in 110 countries. It could be more because that's the 3-year data that I got. But let's get back with the showroom because the showroom is so massive and I want to share it with you guys. And how big it is, how massive it is. It's just like you can fit a factory here already. I can see all the toys that they have produced and created and sold in the market today. So many familiar toys and brands, but I want to feature 2 of them right now. So I'd like to share with you guys. They have collaborated in 2020 with Link & Co. This is the Link & Co. 03 Plus. This is a 1:18 scale, and I can see like so much details, a lot of car collectors there. There you go. And I know there's a hobby or a niche for this, and this is from the Link & Co. collaboration. I also like to feature one of them as well. My gosh, they're so fine. I mean, just the plastic cases already. I'm kind of overwhelmed, seriously. So what I have here is a Ferrari model. It is 1:32 scale. It's a pullback kind of toy because they have different kinds of toys. So this one is the pullback kind of toy, which has lights and sound. And these are the latest models that they have released. And aside from that, let's kind of go around a little bit. Can you follow me? All right, here we go. And I just really want to show and brag. It's just amazing how massive this showroom is. So I really enjoyed it, but we need to move to another facility, all right? So let's go ahead to the other facility. Just follow me. Let's go. Now I'm here at the quality control department or facility, and I can tell that it is meticulously being planned from the stage to incoming quality control, apparatus calibration room. All these rooms have their purpose. Only one goal: to check and to make sure that the quality is top-notch. Now, they even have this inspection room, final inspection room. But I want to share one thing though. I want to share the chemical test room. It is really important. And let me just get inside here and let me share it with you. It's really cool to be in a factory, huh? And so I'm in this room right now. It's specifically designed to test, to check the toys even before it arrives to the consumer. Over there, they have that machine. It tests for elements and chemical elements on that side. And here is more on the organic. So that means it's hitting two birds in one stone if you think about it. And this ensures that the toys actually meet the standards, strict standards for our European and North American consumers. Right, here's another part of the quality control department. This is the physical mechanical test room. It is really interesting because I can see right now firsthand. So, like for example, we have this tension pound tool, we have the pressure pound tool, we have the tension pound tool. And what's important is, can you go over here? Yeah. They have, they're doing the drop test right now, but not only just a regular drop test. They try to meet all the requirements from all over the world. What we have on my left is the ASTM drop test, and then on the other is the EN drop test. That means both European and North American consumers should be confident when they purchase from this supplier. So not only that they have met some standards such as the EN71, ASTM, and F963, of course, they also have fulfilled some of the requirements as well. For example, here, this factory has acquired or fulfilled the certification for ISO 9001, and that's, of course, from the Hong Kong Q mark. And then I have here their IETP certification as well, since 2018, certified, there you go. And then I also have here the GSV verification. This is the certification as well from Intertech Total Quality Assured. And more of the certification. This one is the SA8000. This is more about the welfare of their employees, and another one. And this is just some of their certifications, but I just wanted to highlight these. Now, I am in their research and development facility. Considering it's a 150,000 square meter factory, this alone, just the R&D department, is so huge. They have rooms here, rooms there. This hallway, it is so massive. They have 40 people who are working just for their research and development. These people are in charge of the designs to the prototype. You know, this is the brainchild of the company making all the designs. But let me just highlight some of their patents. Actually, they've been in the business for 53 years. I just learned just now, so that's like way older than me. So anyway, as you can see, because they've been in the business for so long, more than half a decade, half a century, 53, that is amazing. They have all these patents, about 1,000 patents registered, and they're showcasing here the top ones that they have registered. So anyway, let me explore more of this factory and just join me. Let's go to the next facility, shall we? Let's go. All right, believe it or not, I'm actually in one of their facilities. This is the canteen or their pantry. Remember that one of our criteria is the social responsibility when we evaluate factories. And this is, believe it or not, is one of their facilities. It actually looks like I'm in a shopping mall. It's like I'm in a food court, but this food court is actually one of the factory's facilities. It can actually house about 100 employees at a time. And as you can see, everybody is happy, having their tea time or probably lunch. And I'm just really overwhelmed, like how people are really taking care, good care in this factory. Behind me is their post office. It's a personal post office that they have in this facility. They also have an amazing room here, which is really not so common in factories, but they have their own feeding room for new moms or for moms who are feeding their infants. And it is private, of course. And also on this side, I'm going to share it with you in a bit, is their break room where they actually can play billiards and all sorts of entertainment. Talk about social responsibility. This is more than that. This is what you call leisure or luxury for an employee. All right, so not only that, they have an amazing pantry or canteen. Leisure is really important, and it is one of our criteria, which is social responsibility. And here right now is their break room. It's where they play all these billiards, and just behind this camera is actually a table tennis court or table tennis area. And let's go to other facilities of this room. I'm really excited about it. All right, behind me is actually their dormitory. It's a 5-story building that has 50 rooms and can actually house or cater up to 4 people per room. Now, each room is actually complete with amenities and what their basic needs. That's from water, hot water, from air conditioning to internet to proper bedding. So yeah. It actually passed, way past the 5th criteria, which is the social responsibility with flying colors. I give them 5 stars personally. All right, with me right now, joining me is Grace from the sales department, and she's gonna be giving us a little bit of insight about the company. So I just want to ask you a couple of questions, Grace. But first and foremost, hello, Grace. Thank you for having us here at the Maisto factory. And I just want to ask a couple of questions, and I'm gonna start with, how long have you guys been in the toy business?
Our company have involved in toy products career for almost 35 years.
35 years. 35 years. I'm really bad with math, but that's a long, long time. I guess around 1985, kind of, yeah? So they've been in business for 35 years. And if you kind of can look back with the video, we were in this showroom and you can see how many SKUs, how many products they have released. So 35 years, I'm really amazed. And another question that I want to ask is, what about the company culture? Can you share that with us, please?
Okay, customer focus, look to the future is a company culture.
So customer first.
Yeah.
Yeah, which is, I could agree with this because all the products that I see here are fine car models, the quality. I was in the, what do you call that? The testing room and everything. Everything is meticulously checked. So yeah, you're really right in that, spot on. And I have one more question though. What about the important key points, you know, in the future for your new products?
Yeah, so when we wanted to develop a new product, we aim to drown people's imagination and keep them company with the coin.
Okay, that's pretty interesting, and I guess that's the end of the tour. But before that, I'd like to say thank you for having us here. I really appreciate your time, and this is Grace from the sales department. So until then, but before I'm gonna end this video, if you're interested with the company Maisto, please send them a message, or you can leave us a message directly. All right. So for now, I would like to say goodbye and thank you for watching. Bye. We'll see you around next time. Bye.